As indicated earlier, when this boson minus is emitted as a W minus um, boson, it will have the incorrect spin. The spin on a W minus, needs to be plus 1, and in this case it's 0, as it needed to be in composition with the muon neutrino. And so we will have to apply the compositional Higgs process to make corrections. Now, to do that, we will need to change the spin on this self-relating anti-Rishon. And we can do that. But in doing so, we then produce a photon to carry away the -1 spin, which we can indicate here. Now, these bosons then interact respectively. This now appropriately quantized W boson interacts, of course, with the anti-muon that was here, and in doing so creates the anti-neutrino by exchanging this self-relating anti-V Rishon with this alter-relating Rishon, which then combines with this self-relating anti-Rishon, leaving you a Higgs boson here, producing this Higgs boson. And likewise, this photon here interacts with this electron, replacing this alter-relating, anti-alter-relating Rishon with this self-relating, anti-self-relating Rishon. And thereby producing another Higgs boson as a result of that interaction. So we see that in the transformation of this muon and anti-muon into a electron and anti-neutrino, we have the production of these Higgs bosons, indicating that it's equivalent to a coupling or interaction or decoupling with the Higgs field. And so, with those corrections through the compositional Higgs process, we have completed the representation of the decay of the tau lepton into a tau neutrino, antineutrino, and an electron through this interaction with the Higgs field. Just as a matter of consideration, we should look at the isospin weak charge to make sure that they are appropriate in these decay products. As noted before, on the W boson, we have an isospin weak charge of -1, which is indicated by the standard model. We still have the appropriate isospins on the antineutrino and electron. And on this photon, we have an isospin of 0. And on these Higgs particles, we have the appropriate isospin weak charges of -1/2 and +1/2.